This is my pulse width modulated velocity control motor. The velocity control is achieved using a potentiometer here. The motor is here, and there's the Arduino. The motor has a code wheel attached to it, and the rotation is read into this encoder, both of which I have got from an old mouse. There's an IR emitter here, this thing here, and the receiver here, this black box, which surprisingly it has quadrature, so you can detect the direction of the mouse movement as well as the displacement. The motor I also got from an old optical drive, so they're sort of ripped off components, but they still work. So by turning this potentiometer here, I can control the speed of the motor. So currently it's not spinning. I put a bit of white tape on the code wheel just so that you can see this rotating. So if I turn it now, you'll be able to see it rotate. Fairly low speed, and as I turn it up, it rotates faster. The signal from the encoder is read back via the standard PS2 interface, but there's a library for it in the Arduino library. I didn't have to program for it. It's using PID, also the PID library for the Arduino. So I haven't tuned the PID parameters yet, but as you can see, it's got fairly good performance at the moment. If I turn it full blast, it takes probably a second for it to get up to full speed. Slowing down takes a bit longer because the motor doesn't have braking in the other direction, because the voltage doesn't go negative to the motor. I haven't put that in yet. The next step would be to do that, and also to find out the motor constants so that the PID parameters can be tuned better. So yeah, there it is. It works. You can also see that in the Arduino serial monitor, it reports the speed in this would be some sort of mouse movements per sampling period of the PS2 interface. So it's moving it's reporting it as mouse movement in the Y direction.